Hey guys, it's Mary, and I am feeling a little bit sad today. I should be feeling happy because I've got my Tailored Expression teal little package here that I love. But I'm sad because this is the last quad of the month club that I'll be getting. Tailored Expressions has been doing these for 6 months, and I don't know why, but they have chosen not to continue them. I was hoping that at least they would continue them till the end of the year, which would be 3 more. So I don't know. She says that they've got something wonderful and new coming in the next year. I just can't imagine what it would be. And even though I think they kind of ran off the rails with their everything was a party theme, they didn't quite make that. And you'll see in this one, it's not a party, but it's pretty. And I am truly going to miss the quads. I love being able to make 4 cards at a time. It's quick. And it's fun. And I'm sad. She does sell a lot of other quads in slimline and regular A2 size, which is this size. But getting a surprise every month of a quad was fun, and that part I'm going to miss. So this time, this very last time, it is a sunflower party. I know you're saying to yourself the same thing. Party, really? Last month it was bird party. I don't know. Like I said, I'm not sure how they got, with so many parties, I'm not quite sure how they got off the whole party theme. But as I said, this one is gorgeous. I can't deny it. Especially right now with autumn coming. And the nice thing is, if you're not into sunflowers, which I like sunflowers, but they are not my favorite flowers. So they do give you 2 sunflowers, but they also give you butterflies. And who doesn't love a butterfly? Lord knows every company has at least a dozen butterflies of different sorts. So anyway, so this is it. So I have all the quads on my channel listed. Some of them I actually do in the video, and some of them we just look at and talk about. So if you're interested, there's at least 2. The very first one, and I believe it was called Flower Party. It was the one with the vases. If you want to see how you use them, you look for those 2. In fact, I'll see about linking them in the description so that you can actually, if you're not familiar with, you can actually see how they work. And so Taylor made this easy, and if I could see, they are all labeled. maybe. Hold that thought. There we go. I had them upside down. All right, so, okay. All right, so you cut your page to match your paper, to match this size, which is bigger than what you would need for a 2. And so you would lay it down on your paper. These are little registration marks to fill in so that you, it helps you line it up. There's also, you can't see, but there's also, let's see if I put my light on, because it's getting, the sun is going down, and so it's getting dark in here. There we go. That should be better for you. There's etching all the way around. Let me see if I can. And so you'll line that up too. And so this would be your first layer. And you can choose whatever colors you want. They give you two different people. Taylor does one, and then Jen does one. So, and then with 2 different color combinations. And you can use whatever color combination you want. You can also, you don't have to do, say if you picked like orange or burnt orange, you don't have to do everything burnt orange. You can do a variation so that maybe you're doing your, say, your sunflowers one color, and maybe you want these to be more whimsical and go into the teals and pinks and blacks with your butterflies. So after you know, it's up to you. There's no right or there's no wrong. So that's layer number 1. And then this would be layer number 2, and you would do the same thing with layer number 2. See how we've got, over here we've got like the stripes. Now we've got the body. And then here, we've got nothing on the butterfly, but we've got the buds. We've got a little bit of the outside of the butterfly, and then the bigger leaves on the 2 sunflowers here. And then on the last one, these are sticking to the paper. For the sunflowers, we've just got the little inside of the little pods, the little seeds, and then we've got the outside detailing here of the butterflies. And so once you put them all together, you can't see, but once you put them all together, this is what you end up with. You've got the one big sunflower with the 2 pods, and then the 2, and then the 3 butterflies, and then the 1 butterfly. So you end up with 3 vertical and 1 horizontal card. Oh, I like the way, I just noticed that she actually took a frame and cut around this one here and made it an oval. So anyway, so that is it. The quads, the club also came with these labels to go into a holder, but like I said, that's not happening anymore. So anyway, So I just want to share with you, even though you're not doing them anymore, just so that you get an idea. And like I said, they do have them, the quads for sale, in the A2 size, and then in the slimline size. They've got some really cute ones. They've got Christmas, they've got birthday, they've got, you know, just generic ones, flowers and everything. So, but that'll be it. This is the last time. So let me know if you've done any of the quads, whether in the club or if you've purchased them through Tailored Expressions, and what you thought about them. And if you have been a member of the Quad Club, are you sad too? Or, yeah. So let me know. So that's it. So thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed, you can hit that subscribe button, and then if you hit the bell, you will get a notification when there's a new video up. There's also the like button. So if you like the video, if you could hit that button, that would be awesome. I appreciate it with all my heart. I appreciate any time that you spend coming and spending time with me and my channel. So so that's it. Leave me a comment, and until next time, stay safe, stay well, and happy crafting. Bye-bye.